So if you're thinking of buying a home in the Philadelphia area, in the city, out of the city, you do not need your own agent. Now, of course, I'm biased to say you should have your own agent. You want to have somebody protecting you, someone with your best interests at heart, but also by law, they are protecting you in that sense. You certainly can call the listing agent directly, but you do not need your own agent. There is no law that says you must have one. Highly advise you do get one. Most of the time, the commission is covered. The fee to have that agent acting on your behalf is covered by the seller. Now, this is in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and some of the surrounding states, and a lot of the states in the United States, but you definitely do not need to be represented. It's always a good idea to. Now, if you wanted to call the listing agent directly, sometimes you can get a deal doing that. You could save a little bit of money. They would make a little more, not having to pay the commission to the other side, but there may be other costs involved, and you probably would have a good experience, and they wouldn't intentionally hurt you in most cases. But again, it's always a good idea to have representation. Now, as far as representation goes, even if you are going to call the agent directly, make sure they're reputable. Make sure you're happy with them, that you can get along with them, that you feel as though you're getting a good deal and you're getting proper service. If you're looking to hire an agent, some of the things to look for is personality, of course, is number one. And what I mean by that is, do you get along? Can you get along with them? Professionalism is sort of on the same tier there. They might be the best agent in Pennsylvania, hint, hint, but you may not like them or get along with them, or you may not like their style necessarily. So they're both equally as important. From there, now, how do we find these people? Reviews. Google reviews are probably the most important, in my opinion. Zillow has reviews as well. The Google reviews can't be changed. I'm not saying Zillow reviews can be changed either, but Google gives you, of course, bias maybe, gives you a more broad opinion of the business, of the individual, of the team. Zillow is very specific as well. Although there are some negative reviews on both platforms, the negative reviews can't be as easily removed from Google as they could from other websites. There are so many other websites you can go on, Rate My Agent and Realtor.com, and you could just start asking around, and you could look on Facebook has reviews. I usually stick with a Google review as it's very location specific and it's harder to change or to get changed. But if you have any other questions regarding buying a house or representation, or can you represent yourself? Can you get the commission if you represent yourself? The answer to that one's kinda. You would save it in a sense. But anyhow, hit me up anytime. You can shoot me a text. You can call. You can email. You can send us a letter. We do have a fax machine still, believe it or not, although I think it's connected to the internet, but I think you catch my drift. I'm happy to help and glad to do it. I hope you have a great day, everybody. I'm Gregory Martire, your local real estate expert here in the greater Philadelphia area.